Hola amores, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be showing you my first makeup video. Well, actually everything I'm doing right now in these videos are the first time. Anyway, it's exciting. Please don't forget to put what you think on the comments below, and don't forget guys to like, subscribe, share. Let's put some makeup on. A makeup artist told me that when you do it as a V-line, cover the dark circle here. And I do this a little bit here, a little bit over my eyebrows, just a little bit from the residue. Here are a few spots to cover. I don't use foundation. I just don't think I have to cover my whole face. Then I put over the eyelids. Just, blending bronzer over my forehead. I'm gonna be using this one and this one. Both of them I'm gonna mix. This one right here, on the middle, just to pop. Liner, just a little thin over my eyes. Like to elongate the eyeliner just a little bit, not to the extent of making a cat eye, but just a little bit further to make my eyes look bigger or longer. Oopsie. It went too down, so I'm gonna clean that up with my fingers and do it again. I'm gonna use the black under, just very little. I start from the outside of the eye until the middle. I stop right here. Then I do my eyebrows. This is a brunette color. There's not much of the difference that is too dark or too big compared to the other ones, just to fill. And I have a little scar here. I don't have hair there. That happened when I was little. My brother and I were running to the fountain. Who was gonna make it there first? And he put his foot and he fell down, and this happened. So memories. So just cover it a little bit, my scar. There. Then I brush them up and then to the side like that. Up. Here to the side. Trying to go a little bit more to the side here, but up still. And then here, like this down to make the shape. And there you go. Now brush, I use this color on both sides of the brush, and I just go like here like this, like a circle here. I tap here. It's better when you smile. There you go. I use a bronzer. This is the Sundance from Rimmel. This is the same one I use over the forehead. Now I'm gonna do it for my cheekbones. I just go here. So I just go from here and I stop right here. I have tried so many mascaras, but I just love this one. I keep going back to COVERGIRL, the original ones, and I always use the orange one. I make so many faces when I put this on, so I just go really inside and then go up. Really inside to get all of it. I like my eyelash to look full and long, as long as it can go. And then I do my bottom lashes. With the concealer brush, I clean the residue of the mascara, if I have some. Usually, always. Then I put a little bit more of concealer under the eyes. Also with the concealer brush, I smooth this here because I did my brows. So if there's any residue from the brows, I just cover it. So I go here inside, underneath, just to make it look. This is a pink nude highlighter. But in the area you want to highlight, like here a little bit. I don't like to go too crazy on this, I just put a little bit where I want to highlight. I use the same concealer brush. I use this, oh my god, I almost fall down, powder glow illuminator. Also, a little bit like this. Before I put any lipstick or anything, I scrub my lips with a towel or a lip scrub if you have. I'm gonna start with a matte lip liner. I stretch my lips when I put the liner, and I don't make the line too strong. I don't want it that strong. I just love this color. It's like a nude but with a pop of color, but on the nude side. finish with a facial spray after the makeup because it blends everything. And it feels good.